Alright, and go. Hello guys, me and I haven't seen you in a while. Today we're gonna do rejected takeoff on the runway, and let's begin. I think so. I'm gonna repeat it. Alright. Stop. Jet rotate. Stop. Stop. Engine 2 failure. Let's turn the engines off. And prepare for the checklist.
Line right there.
Alright, we have to turn off electrics. Alright. Tower, Mayday, Mayday. Sunbird 482. We had it rejected on runway. 33 left. Passengers panic.
Alright, Mom, my friend's
Let's
not
see.
able anymore.
Attention, crew at stations. Crew at stations. Alright. So
Marble, man.
we're gonna be remain seated and wait for the evacuation preparation.
The hell, Deadpool?
And during the evacuation, I would open the doors so that, and then because when I open the doors, we'll begin the evacuation for the preparation of this aircraft. Alright, so how can you do it? So, alright, first of all, battery, make sure battery off. Battery off, check.
What
Turn off the electronics.
the hell?
And prepare for emergency evacuation checklist. And now we are going to, as the passengers.
Who is this?
Cabin crew, evacuate the aircraft immediately. Evacuate. Okay, it's time to open the doors.
Sorry.
Okay. Let's open the other ones.
Oh, fool.
Alright. Let's eject. Eject. There. It's ejected. And let's use these. No, not sit.
Aim
Eject.
the pro.
Alright, the passengers would evacuate immediately and move quickly away.
Aim, not aiming.
By the way, we're at the airport runway, I guess. So, we are now gonna evacuate.
God, take my gun. What a stupid-
So, alright, let's do another one. Let's do another scenario called ditching after takeoff. How about that? Full power, as always. Full takeoff power. Rotate. What? We did a tails. Out there, alright. Alright, let's see what will happen. Well, let's see what happens next. Oh no, the engines, they have failed. And we have killed electronics. This thing's dead. Alright, so let's head back to the airfield. But oh no, we don't have enough elevator input, aileron input to head back to the airfield. I would just, I can't. Oh no, stall. That's not how you do it. Oh. Keep these little things on. Let's keep going. Rotate. rotate. Hey, pause the brake. Gear up. Gear up. Gear handle. Let's do a steep turn to the right. Steep turn to the right. Steep. Steep. Steep turn. Disclaimer, my mom's here. Oh. Now what will happen next? Alright, let's head to the oceans. Oh no, the engines, they have failed. Oh no, what happened to the electronics? We don't have enough control to go to the... Alright, let's use the HUD. Oh, terrain. Oh, poof. That was close. Let's ditch at the ocean. You do the normal landing gear procedure.
Crash!
500,
Oh.
100, 300, 500.
Oh, ditch. Ditch at the ocean very carefully.
500, 400, 300,
Oh, the bridge.
200,
Alright. Water.
100, 50, 30, 20.
Ooh! Maybe the landing gear fell off. That's not good. Alright. Oh, not the rear. Or else the aircraft would sink.
9 kills.
Aircraft would evacuate. Alright, let's... Oh, shoot!
So it's gonna be forever.
Damaged.
Who's gonna go down in flames?
Oh no, the aircraft! No! No! Airplane! Crash. What? So, thank you for watching. So, goodbye. That was my fault. Goodbye.